had something really exciting happen this week that I wanted to share with you. It's here in this box. So I'm going to do an unboxing and I'll explain what it is. So last week I was scrolling through Instagram and I came across a post on Lia Griffith's account. They were doing a National Craft Month mystery prize giveaway where every Monday they would give away a prize box of supplies from their shop. And it started at $100 I think in the first week, and it went up every week after that. So the last week of March it was a $300 prize box, and that is what I won. So I just wanted to show it to you, open it up. I think it'd be a lot of fun. I am super thankful to Lia Griffith for this awesome box of goodies, and I can't wait to get into it. Okay, so it's kind of a big box, so I'm gonna, I'll do the best I can here so things don't get covered up. So if you are maybe not familiar with Lia Griffith, you should definitely check out her website, and on Instagram they're at Lia Griffith. Products that they have that might be in here, they have craft kits. She has a few different kinds of paper. She has like a frosted paper, crepe paper, tissue paper, just things for making beautiful things, felt. She has her own line of craft tools with whiskers, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. Okay. All right. Okay. So, oh my gosh. So if you're familiar with paper flower crafters, people who make absolutely stunning lifelike flowers on Instagram, I follow several and they use her products. It would be a dream to be able to make something like that, so I'm just super excited. Okay, so we have, this is an extra fine crepe paper in coral. Here's, oh my goodness, okay, so it's a peony crepe paper flower kit. So this has 4 colors of the crepe paper and floral tape, the centers, and some of the wire to make flowers. Stamps, some clear stamps, so tiny. Oh, this is amazing. Cutting machine crafts with using Cricut, Sizzix, or Silhouette, and I am a huge Silhouette fan, so I am super excited to see what projects I can make here. This is a waxed tissue paper in a seasoned poly, and it's food grade, so it's for wrapping edible treats that you make. A Cricut True Control Kit. This is a combo pack and it's blades. Some pens, 12 gel pens. Camellia flowers. This is a book of pre-cut, so you can see that with the frosted paper. And it's kind of funny because I've been looking at her products online for a while, trying to figure out what I would want to order, and these are all things that I had wished that I had, so this is just absolutely amazing. Here's some more tools. This is the needle nose pliers by Fiskars and Lia Griffith, and oh my god, so the micro tip easy action scissors, and there's still more. So here, this is the crepe paper flowers, making and arranging beautiful blooms, and these include PDFs and SVG files. So this is just absolutely loaded full. Something that I've always wondered and just seen, like some of the masters when they're creating their flowers, is it's not just the tissue paper, but it's also the shading that they do. And she included a set of the Pan Pastel painting pastels. How gorgeous are those colors? This is super exciting. And, okay, so heavy crepe paper. This is a botanical garden, so it's an assortment of greens and black and silver. And I will say, so I did just place an order with her last week. I will be receiving that on Monday, but it looks like I'm not having duplicates, which is super awesome. So I'll just, oh. And this one I think was even actually out of stock. So this is the extra fine crepe paper in the Secret Garden. So it has, look at these beautiful colors. And an extra fine crepe paper in the metallic, so gold, silver, and copper. I'm running out of space. Oh, there's more tools. The Comfort Detail Knife. So this is a cutting blade. And a hole punch. And this is the small, this is a 1/8 inch. And this is a rotary cutting tool. Oh my goodness, is this wrapped? I don't know what this is. This is like the frosted tissue paper, but I think there's something in it that it's wrapping. Oh, it's a poster of all of the different kinds. This is the glossary of crepe paper colors. I am absolutely hanging that up. That is so beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. And save that. Okay, there's still more. We have another set of pens. And that's my first set here. This is a Fiskars Silicone Craft Matte Heat Resistant Surface Saver. That's awesome. Okay. And a self-healing cutting mat. And it has Lia's quote on here. Today, I will create something beautiful. A ruler, metal with a hole in it so I can hang it up. That's nice. Paper, frosted craft paper. This is the melon color pack. Can you see how like it glistens? Just beautiful. This is Cut, Emboss, and Glue, a folding self-healing cutting mat. That's really nice, with a heat-proof zone here, so I'll show that there. And there's some more things. Okay, an acrylic ruler, super handy for being able to see through and measuring. More flowers. This is a dahlia flowers so it's the pre-cut on the really pretty frosted paper. And I think that is everything. So I am just absolutely blown away at this just amazing stuff. It was not expected of me to do any type of unboxing. I just did this because I wanted to share. just how incredibly generous they are as a company. And I was only one of 5 people who received lots of goodies. I just want to say thank you so much to Lia Griffith, and I can't wait to make something. Here's a complete look at what was inside the $300 prize mystery box that I won from Lia Griffith for the National Craft Month. So I'll start on this side with the tools. I opened up the silicone mat. That's really neat. This is the Fiskars silicone mat, and it's really cool. It's silicone, and then it says it protects the surface from stains and marks, but it's not for cutting. So it's more for like heat protective, because it's silicone, and then it has some measuring on it. These are the tools. So I have the rotary cutter, a 1/8 inch hole punch, needle nose pliers, micro tip scissors, and these are spring loaded, so you just pull down and for easy cutting. And then a blade for cutting that's easy to hold. And then there's a Cricut one also that has the easy removable, you don't have to touch it to switch out the blade. I got some rulers and a couple of self-healing cutting mats. This one also has a silicone for putting your hot glue gun on. A Cricut ruler, and 2 books that are just huge and loaded with, this one is just tons of crepe paper flowers, and it comes with supplies, techniques, patterns. Look at these, aren't they gorgeous? And then this one is cutting machine crafts, so projects to make with your silhouette or Cricut. Super cool. Alright, and then, so speaking of crepe paper, I have the Peony crepe paper flower kit. Look at those beautiful colors. Super excited. A heavy crepe paper assortment in the Botanical Garden color selection. A piece of extra fine crepe paper in coral, and a pack of the extra fine, and this is the Secret Garden collection. The extra fine in the metallic pack, and then some waxed tissue paper. So this is for giving beautiful handmade treats from your kitchen, so you can wrap your food in there, make it pretty. And then there's 3 books, 2 of them. This one is the Camellia Flowers, which are actually cut out already, so you just have to pop them out and follow the directions to make this beautiful arrangement. And this one is the Dahlia Flowers, which is also already cut out on the beautiful frosted paper. And this one is just the paper, so I could cut out anything I wanted to make my own. And then included was also a poster that has the glossary of different crepe paper colors. That was beautiful. All right, let's see. I also had 2 packs of pens, the gel pens, and some adorable stamps. Look at this, the bunnies. There's a squirrel, super cute for spring. And then to go with the crepe paper, when you're making flowers, you use like a pastel that helps give the flowers a natural look. So you brush the pastel on to color the crepe paper. All right, I think that is about it. These products are absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to try them out. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos where we have fun and make stuff. Also, follow Little Gray Squirrel on Pinterest and on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to see what's new.